Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning how to play the piano accompaniment of Last Resort by falling in reverse. For reference, here's middle C. We'll be playing the song in the key of F minor. F minor has 4 flats: A flat, B flat, D flat, and E flat. We'll start with the intro. The intro has 2 sections. The first section sounds like this. We'll go over the right hand first. The right hand sounds like this. The melody may sound a bit complicated, but it's actually quite simple when we break it down. If we ignore the pattern A flat, G, A flat being played, we are actually just playing F, C, F, and C. Now we can add the A flat, G, A flat pattern in between our F and C's. Let's play our F, A flat, G, A flat pattern, C, and then our pattern, F, and then our pattern, C, and then our pattern. Let's play that faster. F, A flat, G, A flat, C, A flat, G, A flat, F, A flat, G, A flat, C, A flat, G, A flat. Next we'll play the exact same thing except instead of F, we'll play E flat. E flat, our pattern. C, our pattern. E flat, our pattern. C, our pattern. Next, we'll play the same thing except instead of E flat, we'll play D flat. On our left hand, we'll play F octaves, E flat octaves, and D flat octaves. Now with our hands together, F, E flat, and D flat. On our left hand, we'll play E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, and E flat. On the right hand, we'll play F and A flat together. Then we'll play E flat and G together, followed by E flat. Let's try that again. Now with our hands together, now let's play all that together. The second part of the intro sounds like this. Let's go over the left hand. As before, we're playing F octaves, followed by E flat octaves, followed by D flat octaves. And we'll repeat this a second time. play what we had learned before: F, A flat, G, A flat, C, A flat, G, A flat. Next we'll play A flat, C, B flat, C, A flat, G, F, E flat, and F. Let's try that again. Now, with hands together, we have F, E flat, and D flat. Next on the right, we'll play what we had learned before: F, A flat, G, A flat, C, A flat, G, A flat, followed by A flat, E flat, D flat, E flat, C, B flat, A flat, B flat, F. Again. Now with hands together, F, E flat, and D flat. Playing the entire second part of the intro, we have Now putting the first and second part of the intro, we have this. Let's cover the first one section. The beginning of the first verse sounds like this. Our notes here are based on the F minor chord. We have F on our left, F and A flat together on our right, followed by C on our left. We'll repeat this again. Next set of notes are based on the E flat 6 chord. We have E flat on our left, E flat and G together on our right, followed by C on our left. We'll repeat this again. Next set of notes are based on the D flat major chord. We have D flat on our left, D flat and F together on our right, followed by A flat on our left. We'll play this 4 times in total. Let's play that again faster. For the second time we play the chord progression, we will add an extra B flat on our right hand for the E flat 6 chord. We'll play the chord progression a third time without the B flat. For the fourth time, we'll play the chord progression like the second time, except we will play A flat, F, A flat. Next on our left, we'll play E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, E flat on our left hand. On the right, we'll play C, F, and A flat together, which is the second version of the F minor chord. Then we'll play B flat, E flat, and G together, which is the second inversion of the E flat major chord. And now playing with our hands together, let's play the entire verse section. Here's how the first chorus sounds. Our first chord is F minor. We have A flat, F, and C on our right. We'll play this twice. Next chord is D flat major. We have A flat, F, and D flat. We'll play this twice as well. Next is E flat major. We have G, E flat, and B flat. Then we have A flat, E flat, and B flat. Next, we have B flat, E flat, B flat, and then G, E flat, and B flat. Let's try that again. F minor, D flat major, E flat major, C minor, next is D flat major, as we had learned earlier, played twice. Then F minor, which we also learned earlier, played twice as well. And the same pattern we learned earlier for E flat major chord, but we end with a B flat. Let's play that whole chorus on our right hand. For the left hand, we have F octaves, D flat octaves, E flat octaves, C octaves, D flat octaves, F octaves, and E flat octaves. Let's play both hands together for the chorus. This brings us to the instrumental section. We've already learned this, except we'll play this one octave higher. On the left, we'll play F octaves, E flat octaves, and D flat octaves with both hands together. Then we'll play this. Let's break this down. For F minor, we have F on our left and F and A flat on our right. For E flat major, we have E flat on the left and E flat, G, and B flat on the right. For D flat major, we have D flat on the left and D flat and F on the right. Let's play the instrumental section again. That's the first part of the tutorial. If the second part of the tutorial is available, I'll have it in the end screens. Otherwise, stay tuned for part 2. Happy practicing!